Hiya, welcome back to Family Investment. My name is Dr. Alex Ko. No chip frills, no intros, I'm going to go straight to it. So today I'm going to show you how to buy partial shares on Trading 212. Yes, partial shares is basically buying shares in smaller chunks if you can afford the big whole chunk. For example, Tesla is about $600 to $700 US now, but if you've only got $100, you can buy 1/7 of a Tesla shares, and you can do it on Trading 212, which I'm personally using. So the purpose of this video is a second part to the first part. So if you have not checked out this video, how to invest £100 for your ISA stocks and shares, check this video out here. The link either up there or below. So today I'm going to go jump straight in because the market is open. It's 3 o'clock UK time, and the purpose of this video is to buy two shares, Uber and Fiverr. So I'm going to buy £20 of Uber shares and then £20 of Fiverr shares. And I've just checked, the market is just rocketing just now, so I better get into it. So if you're looking for a commission-free, low-cost UK ISA stocks and shares trading broker, then I recommend you Trading 212. Click on the link below. I've joined it. You can buy fractional shares. It's easy to buy, easy to use app for beginners, and also advanced trending tools that you're looking for. So click on the link below and join me now at Trading 212. Really good. See you soon. So Trading 212, I'm going to log in now. It's just finger recognition, as you can see there. And now I'm going to switch over to the screen where you can see what I'm doing exactly on the screen and also on camera as well. So the purpose, like I said, the two purpose today is to buy Fiverr shares and Uber shares. £20 each, because they're partial fractional shares that I want to be buying. So when you go in, it's something that it's quite annoying, but Trading 212 gives you automatically 3 accounts. It gives you CFD. Please do not go there unless you know it. Then you can invest account. But the one that I'm focusing on, which I promote every time, is stock and shares ISA, because it's tax free. So every year you can put £20,000 in, and for this account I've dropped in £100. Okay, so as you can see that, drop in £100, and so far, if you see my portfolio, this afternoon lunchtime I've already bought Barclays, Carnival, and Rolls-Royce shares. As you can see on Barclays, there's a fractional of 20.9, Carnival is about 2.22, Rolls-Royce is 6 shares. So I'm trying to round it up to £20 a share, so that, as you can see in the last video, I'm trying to buy 5 shares with £100. So I'm put 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So now in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it Fiverr and then Uber after that. Okay. So what you do is you click the magnifying glass, which is at the bottom, which is the third from your left magnifying glass. Click on it and try to find Uber. So type in Uber. Once you see Uber, just click somewhere on the screen, say Uber Technologies, and you can see that Uber is 28.37 just now. And for some bizarre reason, my internet's a bit slower. Okay, now I'm back in game again. So as you can see, Uber Technologies is £28, 34, 33, 31. It's fluctuating. It's live data. It's up about 1.25%. So let's get into it. So I'm going to go click buy. Then on here you can see the scrolling bar here. You can scroll, amount that you want. Okay, so what I will normally do is I click the money button. Click the money button. Try to see if I can get it down. Use the scroll. I'll try my best to use the scroll, see if I can get it down to £20. So 0.9 is about £20.21. So I'm going to reduce it to 0.88 just to fit into the, I'll put it at 0.89. It's exactly £20. Okay, and it's gone up a bit. It's okay. So it's £20 spent 2 points. So I'm going to review order. So as you can see, number of shares 0.89, estimate £20, free commission. I'm going to let send buy order now. So I've sent buy order. So, and it came straight in. Uber 0.89, 28.33 bought. So it's just instantaneously. So that's done now, and let's go Fiverr. I'm going to Fiverr, FVRR, which is the ticker for Fiverr. And not many places in the UK offers Fiverr. Even free trade in HL, you can buy Fiverr shares, but you can buy Fiverr shares here on Trading 212. So same thing again, search, find Fiverr, click buy, and then use the scroll. It's really easy. Try to scroll up to 20 pounds that you think you 20 pounds 0.82. I'm gonna just adjust, click on the number, and you can start changing the figure. So I'm gonna put 0.84. Nope, it's not enough money. 0.82, 0.83, just about 19.98, 19 pounds 98 pence. So I'm gonna create a review order. Oops, you can place a single order worth more than 95% free fund. Oh really? So that's a bit new. 0.8 of a share. Let me see if it works. No, it wants me to deposit money because it wouldn't let me put in. Oh, I've bought like 18 pounds worth of Fiverr. It came true. So I bought 0.78 of a Fiverr share at $30.19. Okay, so you can click the 3 lines there to see your history of what's been filled. So you can see what you've bought. So I bought the first 3 shares to that 12 and then 5 international shares. As you can see, it's really quick as well. Those people are asking, saying, is it slow? How fast is it? It's really quick. Trading 212 is really, really fast. Surprisingly fast. And you can see when you bought it, how much you've ordered. And then now let's click the pie chart, which is the second tab. And there you go. There's my 5 shares. So almost total $100, 20 pounds each, roundabout, except for Fiverr. And you can see how well they're performing. If you scroll further down, it's an allocation of shares, around about 99 pounds 36 pence. So I've got equal section, 1/5 of each share now. And that's only doable if you do fractional shares. So that's me, quite proud of it. 100 pounds, first 100 pounds I deposited, all injected back in. And that's me. Already invested. I hope you found the quick crash course useful on how to buy fractional shares, and you can see I've demonstrated live and how fast it would be on when the live markets open. And that's it. So you plan your portfolio, how much you want to invest in, time it on what price you're willing to pay, and there you go. You can buy fractional shares. You do not have to worry about rounding up your shares no more. Fractional shares, it's a game changer. The guys in America using Robinhood have just received it not long ago, but Trading 212, they've got it for months. So who needs Robinhood now? Trading 212 is a big game changer. I really, really like it so far. In the last 2 weeks I've used it. So click like, subscribe, share if you like this video. Comment below if you've got any other questions. Also follow me on Facebook at Muku UK. I'll leave the link on the description, or you can see the alias above me. And hopefully that helps you really, really quickly, yeah? Okay, guys, I better get back to normality again, and I'll see you soon. See you, bye.